This is the DROCON Traveler U818A Plus drone, and it's packed with features that make this an ideal drone for experts and beginners. Out of the box, it requires very little assembly. Just attach the landing gear and camera and it's ready to go. The onboard camera can shoot 720p HD video and is also used for FPV flight. FPV viewing is achieved through a connection with the smartphone, which will be explained later in the video. In the package, there's also a 4GB micro SD card included, so you can start recording with the DROCON drone right away. The battery lets you fly for up to 15 minutes, which is about 2 to 3 times longer than you get with other drones of this size. The remote is simple with one button takeoff, plus a headless mode button, so you don't have to worry about directional orientation when flying. At the top of the remote, there's a slide-out phone mount bracket. This mount holds phones securely and allows you to see the view from the drone's camera on your screen. Connecting your DROCON Traveler to your smartphone is easy with its built-in Wi-Fi network. With the drone powered on, find the drone's hub in your Wi-Fi settings. Once connected, you'll be able to use FPV or first-person view on your smartphone. Another cool thing you can do is view the recorded video from the drone's SD card right on your phone without a computer. This is really handy when you're out in the field. Your phone can also double as a remote control, and for an immersive flying experience, you can activate VR mode and use VR goggles during your flight and fly from the perspective from the front of the drone. Just use your favorite VR goggles with your phone. Before flying, initiate the communication with the remote by holding the left stick down. Then hold both sticks towards each other at 45-degree angles to unlock the motors. One of the great features of the DROCON Traveler is the automatic altitude hold mode, so the drone won't crash if you let go of the left stick. I'm not a good drone pilot, but I really appreciate that function. The camera has a 120-degree lens and shoots in 720p HD video. The quality is pretty good, but not like that of a GoPro. However, you can get usable video from amazing angles during flight using your phone to start and stop the recording. The DROCON Traveler is an affordable and easy-to-fly drone. However, don't fly in enclosed areas like I did. I crashed the drone about 40 feet up in a tree, but luckily I was able to fish it out. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, The Render Queue, for more how-to videos and product reviews.